My name is Derrick Josi, Wilsonview Dairy. One of my favorite products is the adjustable gates. Because one of these alleys is a little wider than the other one. When I pour roux by the feed box, it doesn't matter because I order the same gate and I adjust it out to where I need it. Say with my calving facilities. I had sections that were 10 feet wide and then sections that were 12 feet wide. Same gate. I don't have to worry that I'm ordering the wrong size gate because it's adjustable. And where we load cows out, when somebody backs the trailer in, I just leave that gate unscrewed enough that I slide it in and out depending on where the trailer is. They might actually be my favorite above and beyond the water troughs. I can't believe I almost forgot about my adjustable gates.